Unboxing the ultra-long endurance engineering remote controller SKYDROID G16, designed for all-day uninterrupted engineering scenarios. Equipped with a high-energy density Li-ion battery, it delivers 9-10 hours of continuous operation after a single full charge. Dedicated small joystick. With 2, 4G plus 5, 8G dual band, supports telemetry and image and video. Transmission range to 5-30 km. Featuring automatic frequency hopping for strong ambient interference performance in construction sites, forests, and long-distance inspection missions. Full interface expansion PPM, USB-C, USB-A, SIM. The 7-inch outdoor high brightness screen remains clearly visible. Even under direct midday sunlight, no sunshade needed. Adapts to flight controllers and payloads, making it an essential choice for long-duration operational scenarios.